In this video, I am going to show you how to download MovieBox application on Android. So this should be a quick and easy process video. The first thing we need to do is to paste the name of the app on Google, as you can see right now. So after you have done that, just click on enter or the search button on your phone, then go to up to down to this website that has many apps on it that you can download. So this is MovieBox, the Asian drama and anime app that you can download from here. Just scroll down until you find get the latest version, then click on it. So after that, just scroll down again and you will find that the app is now showing you that you can download it from here. You can also click on all the variants and all the versions if you wanted to download it. So now if you click on all the variants, you can download other variants of the app. So as you can see right now, these are the other variants. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.